In this video, I will show you how to create data entry form in Microsoft Excel. So in this first row, fill these data as your requirement like first name, last name, company name, contact number, and create field whatever you need like date of joining, salary. So I will create a basic data entry form and you can add some more fields in a similar way. Now select these columns where you have this field. Now extend for any column. Now change the size and create style. Now select again, then insert table and check this box. My table has headers. Then click on OK. Now click on File, Options, and here select Quick Access Toolbar, and here select Commands Not in the Ribbon, and in this list find out Form. Select it, then click on Add. If you not find here, so select All Commands, and in this list find out this form. Then click on OK. Now click on this form, this data. Then click on New. So this is the basic way, guys, to create data entry form in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching.